Tropaeolum majus, commonly called garden nasturtium, Indian grace or monk grace. It is a flowering plant belonging to family Tropaeolumaceae. Tropaeolum is pretty easy to identify with the red, orange or yellow 5-petal flowers, available in both climbing and bushy forms. It is great choice for a bed, border, ground covers, rock garden or other mass planting. It is tolerant of both drought and neglect. Food source. Leaf buds, flowers, spores and seeds are edible with spices. Peppery taste, flowers are colorful additions to salad and seed can be used as a substitute for capers. The buds contain mustard oil and are used as a seasoning. Herbal medicines. Tropaeolum used in a herbal medicine for the respiratory and urinary tract infections. Both the leaves and petals of the plant are packed with the nutrients and containing high vitamin C that have ability to improve immune system, tackling sore throat, cough and cold. Traditionally used for making tea and tonic for the sore throat, chest cold. It helps in the formation of new blood cells and antiseptics. Tropaeolum flower extract is one of the main ingredients in the oxygen deep pore cleanser and oxygen treatment cream. This ingredient provides the skin with essential oxygen to keep your cells functioning like they should. Tropaeolum thoroughly cleans and purifies the skin. It improves the surface condition. Tropaeolum increases cell turnover rate for a healthy glow. Benefits for the garden. Nasturtium are also attract good bugs such as pollinator, hoverflies, aphids, or the squash bug. Preservation. Tropaeolum can preserve in the form of vinegar and dried leaves. For vinegar, pour flowers, petals in a jar and add white vinegar and leave it in dark and cool place for 6 to 8 weeks. After 6 to 8 weeks, strain out. This will keep for several months.